a shadow move through the silver haze, a quiet spark in the storm's embrace. Eyes like thunder, they struck my